Hi, my awesome fifth graders and their awesome parents. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about going forward. So I talked with some of your kids on on Wednesday, and we talked about like not knowing what's going to happen with school and how everything's going to change. So what we're looking at right now is this screen right here is showing our new layout for our Google Classroom. So the big things that we're focusing on in that time, and this is starting on Monday, is math coming out as normal. We'll have lessons and work time. Reading, there will be a mini lesson and an activity and it's some independent reading. So what's going to be happening is across the whole fifth grade, there's one teacher that is making videos that we are taking and we are all using towards the fifth grade curriculum. Same thing for writing. So it won't be me that's teaching this, but I will be here for any help, just like if we were in the classroom and I was teaching it. So these videos have a different teacher on them, but they're saying the same things that I would. So parents just be aware of that. That is for reading and writing. Science right now is not something that we have to focus on, but I think our kids loved science when we were there. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be having some science activities that are on there. If you have looked at your classroom, it's always going to have this week's work. Like today, this is our stuff for this week's work. In your reading, your math, your writing. Right now we have social studies and we'll be switching our messages. And if you go down, if your child has missed something, and fifth graders, if you have late assignments, if you scroll down, all of the assignments that we've had are still currently on this computer. So, and it's on your Google Classroom. So make sure you remember that. So going forward, how will we meet with the students? So they will have those videos that they have to watch every day. I have created an online schedule for them of when they're going to meet. So either I will meet with them once a week for a half hour, or I'll meet with them twice a week for 15 minutes, depending on the child. So this will be available to you and shared to your students through our Google Classroom. So take a look at that. When we look at it, we scroll down. I have office hours. My goal is that I will be on here to help you with any questions that you have. I'm also available by computer or by texting or calling throughout the whole day. But the biggest thing is making sure that our students are doing what they have to. So students can show me their work where really I still want to see that effort that they're putting forward. So things that they can do, they can show me their work. They can take a picture and send it to my cell phone. They can upload a photo onto Google Classroom when they turn in, or they can use their webcam and they can, when they're talking here, hold the picture up like this and take a picture of their work to turn in. So, things I need you to really do before Monday, I need you to take a look at that schedule. I need you to see, make sure your time works for you. We will always be meeting as a whole class on Fridays from 10 to 11. It might just be a social time. It might be a time for them to play a game or like a Kahoot that we're going to do today. But we will always meet on Google Meets, which is on their Google Classroom to find, or they can click on here and they can go down and click on Meet. That will get them there. Their code is always going to be Medkey 1, so please just make sure that they are doing Medkey 1. I have an aunt and uncle that teach in the district, so I'm sure they use Medkey. So otherwise, you're going into a fifth grade or a third grade at Riverview and Franklin. Um, some other things below here, in case you don't have them already, you can text or use my Google Voice account anytime you need it, day or night, whenever your child or you as parents might want it for contact. Also have my email and a Google chat that they can do. So please make sure to help yourselves out and read this document and take a look at it together as a family so there are no questions. Or if there are, you can call and ask me. Here's some extra information for you about digital learning that the district has came up with. Um, Also, if your student is someone who likes to get things read aloud to them, right here is a link for them to read aloud for all their stuff. I cannot say thank you enough to the parents and my students who are doing their work. You guys are doing an awesome job. I hope that we get to go back soon, but if we don't, we have to make the best of it. So right now, your job is to be the best student that you can. I hope I get to hear from you guys soon. Like I said, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Bye. I miss you guys.